Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and I bought these jeans and I think they're really cute, pre-holes, but a couple of the holes are a little high for modesty's sake, so I need to cover those up. So I thought, what better way than to do it with glitter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this glitter fabric transfer thing that I've had in my stash for a really long time. It's blue and silver and shiny, and I don't think the camera picks it up very well. I went to Walmart to look for just a patch, a plain patch. I couldn't find any, but I did have this one and it feels very soft, so I'm going to use this one as well. So step one, we're going to turn the jeans inside out. This is my hole that I want to cover. So I'm going to cut out a piece of my shiny, and I'm not going to measure this. I'm just going to eyeball it by looking here. So about there. Okay, so this piece covers that up. And this is the way you would normally iron it on, with the glue that way, but then you don't get to see the shiny. So I need to do it this way, but there's nothing for it to stick to. So what I need to do now is get a larger piece of this one. So I'm going to put this on here and cut this out larger than my blue shiny piece. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the blue shiny piece down like so, and I'm gonna put this one down like this, so that the blue shiny attaches to the red stripe and the blue shiny will show through the hole. And the red stripe will be on the inside because it's kind of soft. So my vinyl said to heat it for about 15 seconds. Gonna check it, and it's not all the way adhered everywhere. You can see the shiny through. My edges just don't seem quite all the way down, so I'm gonna give it another 15 seconds. This might actually be easier with a regular, smaller iron. Okay. And that should do it. So I've got two other little holes that I want to cover, so I'm going to just repeat the process with those two holes. It fell off my desk. I totally forgot about my transfer paper. So I'm going to put it on, kind of protect it a little bit. That red is kind of bleeding a little bit. I need to remember that when I go to wash it. Okay, and now we should be able to turn them right side out. Right now you can't really see it, but if you move the threads, you can see the sparkle behind. I think that turned out really cute. And here they are on. So if you look closely, you can see a little bit of sparkle in these rips, and I think that makes them really cute, just a little bit more modest, a little bit more appropriate for school, and a little bit of glitter. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, toodles!